Hi my beauties and welcome back to my channel. I can clearly remember last year internet being taken over by the film called Bahubali. Its sari draping tutorials, makeup tutorials of Dev Sena were really popular all over the internet. And I know I'm a little bit late in the game, but because I did practice a lot, today I'm going to share with you all this gorgeous looking sari drape being draped by her in her first sari scene. So I hope you all will enjoy, and if you do, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. So, splitting the sari into two sections, right hand side would be longer and left hand side would be a little bit shorter. It would have just a meter of cloth to it. I am going to go ahead and knot it right underneath my navel. Now starting off from my right hand side, I'm just going to go ahead and grab the sari from underneath my leg, and I am just simply going to correct my borders first. You have to make sure while making this drape that the borders are quite clearly visible, because her sari and borders were quite clearly visible. Now I'm going to go ahead and measure the length of the pallu. If you have a 9-yard sari, you can go ahead and pleat right here where I have pinned. But because I don't have a 9-yard sari, I'm just going to tuck it in. I'm not going to pleat it at all. Now coming up to the front section, I am taking the sari right in my hand, and I'm just gonna really very roughly pleat it. All the damn time I'll have to take care of this thing, that the border is like perfect. So do make sure that the border is up to the level of perfection. Don't neglect the border portion of this drape. Now I'm gonna go ahead and roughly pleat the sari as you guys can see me doing right here. Now I'm gonna take it out from the knot that I did tied earlier. It is gonna take a little bit of practice, so just go ahead and practice a bit. It will take a bit of time as well, because you have to take out more than half of the sari from inside the knot. Also, one thing that I'd like to clear, that if it is a regular 6-yard sari, it would definitely depend upon your size as well, how long your pallu would be. If you're leaner than me, then your pallu would be more longer, and if you're healthier than me, then your pallu would be more shorter. Now explaining to you guys, while I can show you here that the entire sari is out of that hole, and now you guys can see there is a clear visibility of a border onto my right leg. The working on the right leg is over. Now I'm gonna switch over to the same portion once again. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the pleats as they were, rotate them a little bit, just a little bit, to make sure that the same border which is there in front on the leg is on above or on the top, of course. And once again, just roughly pleating my plates. Now this sari drape would require a little bit of pleating practice as well, so do go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it all around my hip area, and then I'm going to just go ahead and place it onto my shoulder, the open portion of the pallu. Now why I did kept the pallu open, because I did wanted the sari to go ahead and be like, one border was supposed to be onto my waist and one border is supposed to be under my hip area. That's why I did went ahead and left the sari like that only, and went ahead and pleated it in a distinct manner as I've shown you right now. So just going to go ahead and place it right on top of my shoulder. And now once you will try to drag down the sari, it would definitely go ahead and give your stomach a bit more of a coverage, even though the stomach of Dev Sena was quite open, as I can see and remember from the movie. So you can leave it like that as well, or I'll show you how am I going to correct it in the coming tenure. As you guys can see, I'm just going to go ahead and tighten it up onto the leg a little bit, and this would give me some space to loosen it up onto the waist area. So this is somehow you can drape it to make sure that you can go out as well. Now coming up to the left hand side of the leg, I am bringing the residual material from underneath my left leg, making sure that the border is looking nice from the left hand side as well. I'm going to go ahead and vertically pleat the sari on the left hand side of mine, and you want to make sure that the border that is underneath comes right in front, which would make sure that your sari is looking more beautiful. And then gonna go ahead and just tuck the sari into my back area. and you want to go ahead and bring the border of the pallu underneath this pleat. So this would give a very beautiful, gorgeous look. Now you can see there are multiple borders showing up onto the pallu, onto the leg, right leg, onto underneath your hip area, and at the back as well. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That's the finished drape completed. I hope you all have completed this. I hope you all have liked this draping tutorial, and I would love you guys if you could people could tell me what other draping styles you people want me to go ahead and do, so that I can do it for you all. Here I'm accentuating my vest with a vest belt. Thanks for watching. Bye.